Morning, everybody. Today's improvement is simple but very cool. We are trying to build a new scheduling system, and part of that is getting really accurate counts for how many records we're putting together and how quickly we're doing that. So we went and found these click counters on Amazon, and I think they're $8 each. And then went to Home Depot and found magnets. So we're mounting them on the racks, and it works like this. You'll also see this. This is an extension that comes down so that it hangs enough, get enough hang from this thing to trigger it. This is just a piece of flexible PVC. We got a 48-inch piece of it for $9, I think. And then there's just a bent ring shank nail. Hib found this stuff at Home Depot. So the construction of this whole thing is fairly inexpensive. And so far, working great. And because they're magnetic, I can put them anywhere I want on the rack, which is great because that keeps everything fully configurable. All these move, as we know. That's a different video. But anyway, so there you go. Numbers from the counter will then be entered on Aaron's worksheet. Got high bin count and low bin count. And we'll take the average, and hopefully that will give us a good median number. We might flesh this out a little bit more, but this will ultimately end up being the number that goes into the database so that we can determine scheduling times. Go. Push it harder. Push.